What's up everyone, welcome to another Fat for Weight Loss recipe video. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies and these are so good. They are gluten-free, low carb and best of all, keto friendly. Let's get started. I want you to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Sweet, now that's done. Now I want you to melt some butter. So grab a saucepan, chuck it on high heat, grab 120 grams of butter and put that in the saucepan and just start to melt it and then remove it from the heat. Then I want you to put that into the glass bowl and add some erythritol to that. So you want to stir that up and you want to make sure that that's very well mixed in. Then what I want you to do is I want you to get some vanilla essence and crack an egg in there, and I want you to beat it for 15 seconds exactly, no more, no less. After that, I want you to mix some almond flour with a little bit of xanthan gum, some baking powder and a tiny little bit of salt, and then you want to add that to your butter mixture. Then I want you to add in some chocolate chips, throw those in. Once they're in there like that, what I want you to do is pick it up with your hands and start rolling out some balls. You should be able to make around 9 to 12 balls with this cookie dough, and then I want you to get a baking sheet, put some parchment paper on top, roll those balls with your hands, bake about 9 at a time. Once you've rolled all the cookie dough into balls, I want you to put that baking tray in the oven for 10 minutes. I want to see those cookies spread out and look super, super delicious. Once the 10 minutes is up, then what I want you to do is I want you to grab them out and let them sit on the bench for about 15 to 20 minutes. I want to see those cookies cool down nicely, otherwise they're going to break when you pick them up in your hands. These chocolate chip cookies are so fantastic. Everyone is loving them right now. They are buttery, they are soft, they are chewy, and they go perfectly with the glass of almond or coconut milk. Oh! Thanks for watching guys. If you like recipe videos like this, I'm creating one every single week. So go ahead and subscribe, like, and save this video, and I will see you next week.